So today I'm back down at Canberra Dock on the pilot's jetty, and I've got a new phone, so you can see me. So there's the first one. We'll just drop this one out here. Take this one out a little bit further than the others. Let's stick him down there. Right, I would have been happier if he went a bit further. No, he's still moving in the tide. He's moving a bit further up. Yeah, I think this stone's a little bit heavy for this one. But at least it will keep it in place. Right, it's on the bottom. And now that one's on the bottom. Let's see. Can you see the rod tip from there? Yes, you can. Oh, that's good. I can actually see that you can see the rod tip. That makes a nice change. So that's one out. It's a rising tide at the moment. There's a couple of hours to high tide. But it is winter, so I'll be happy if I catch anything. Yeah, no bites on that already. That's not good. Normally, if the fish are there, they bite in that spot straight away. Oh, there you go. What was I just saying? Well, let's hope you saw that one then. And I'm hoping that as these are such small hooks, they should. No, that doesn't. Yes, they should get on straight away. Looks like he is. So we'll just put this one on and get this one out. Then have a look. See if he's still. That's a bit good though, having a bite on the first cast. Might actually be able to get a fish on camera then. So I've got a smaller stone on this one, so I won't put this one out so far. I'll put it in closer to that big post out there. But it looks like there might be a fish on that one. I don't know. I haven't been looking, I'll be looking at this. Right. Unless I'm not looking at the right time, I can't see it bouncing anymore. But we'll have a look anyway. I'll just cast this one out first. Well, cast. Plonk it in the water. So there you go. This one, like I say, smaller stone, similar sort of length to the drop, same size hook. So let's have a look at this one now. Am I snagged? No. And I've Caught a fish on the first cast. How fantastic is that? Right, let's have a look. Has he got a spot on him? No, there's no spot on his tail. I get very confused with these wrasse, because corkwins are meant to have a little spot on their tail down here, and rock cooks are meant to have much smaller mouths. So I'm guessing this one is another Ballan Wrasse. But look at its colouring around its face, look. The beautiful little fish, right? Brilliant. Now the trouble is though, he didn't even touch the worm, look. So that small hook worked. I love it when a plan comes together. So this other one. Okay, I was actually getting bites on this little one here. But it's not going to show you now, is it? Okay, anyway, look. While I've got the camera up, you can have a proper look around today. There's the spinnaker tower, and here's the entrance to Canberra Dock. There's the Isle of Wight ferry getting ready to leave. Sorry, there, St Cecilia. Sorry, I was just looking back at the rods then. There's St Cecilia, and there's St Clair. There's Ben Ainsley Racing, and this is the Pilot's Jetty. Oh, I had a bite on this one then. Look, at the moment I've got these 4 out, the 2 there that are longer and the 2 shorter ones here, and I'm all down in this area here. And now I suspect, with all this that the ferry's churning up, we're probably going to get tangled up. I was having a nice bite just a minute ago on this one. And he snagged me. That's the trouble here. Oh, got it out the snag. Is there a fish? Yes, there is. Brilliant. Second fish of the day. Oh, this one's got its tail all chewed up. And this one is a Ballan Wrasse. There you go, look at its tail. And there's no blue markings on this one, look. He's a bit deep. So I'm going to use this disgorger. There you go. Safely back in the water. So it seems to be just where I caught the first one. Haven't had any other bites yet. Ferry's just come in. So there's another bite on this one. No. No fish. Put it down again. The old have a sandwich stick seems to have worked. Yep. On this one. No, that doesn't feel like it's there. Put it back down again. I think I've moved it now. Crikey, there must be small fish if they're not coming on these little hooks. I really must get some lead from the tackle shop this week. Oh, mind you, I might have enough left in my shed to make a couple of little weights. Yeah, it definitely bites, isn't there? Nothing on this one. And nothing on this little one. And nothing on this one. And that is out in the middle somewhere. Right, I'll reel that one in and see if there's anything on it. It doesn't feel like there's anything there. Have a look. No, let's put some fresh worm on that one. A nice piece of fresh worm might entice them. Oh, great. As soon as I do this, the ferry decides to go out. That'll churn things up again. Here we go, the hunt for the elusive bait needle. Yeah, in the worms. It's a bit of an obvious place to put it. That black rod's going again. Well, it certainly was. I was gosh about this little one, and this one was banging away like mad. There's a couple of little nibbles on it. Nothing compared to what it was. No, I don't know, let's have a look. That one wasn't a bad little one. The next ferry's on its way in. No, I don't think there's anything here. No. Just playing with the worm, look. So the bite's dried up and I've packed up, so I'm going home to make some leads.